हाय गाइस, आज हम देखेंगे एमएस एक्सेल्स के कंप्लीट शॉर्टकट कीज। फर्स्ट शॉर्टकट कीज Ctrl+A. Right answer is select all the contents of worksheet. Next question Ctrl+B. Right answer is bold. Next question Ctrl+C. Right answer is copy. Next question Ctrl+D. Right answer is duplicate or fill down. Next question Ctrl+F. Right answer is find. Next question Ctrl+G. Right answer is go to specified cell. Next question Ctrl+H. Right answer is replace. Next question Ctrl+I. Right answer is italic. Next question Ctrl+K. Right answer is hyperlink. Next question Ctrl+L. Right answer is create table. Next question Ctrl+N. Right answer is new workbook. Next question Ctrl+O. Right answer is open the save workbook. Next question Ctrl+P. Right answer is print. Next question Ctrl+R. Right answer is fill right. Next question Ctrl+S. Right answer is save the open worksheet. Next question Ctrl+T. Right answer is create table. Next question Ctrl+U. Right answer is underline. Next question Ctrl+V. Right answer is paste. Next question Ctrl+W. Right answer is close the current workbook. Next question Ctrl+X. Right answer is cut used. Next question Ctrl+Y. Right answer is redo. Next question Ctrl+Z. Right answer is undo. Next question Ctrl+F1. Right answer is show or hidden ribbon. Next question Ctrl+F2. Right answer is print. Next question Ctrl+F3. Right answer is Open Excel Name Manager. Next question. Control plus F4. Right answer is Close the program. Next question. Control plus F6. Right answer is Switch between one workbook to another. Next question. Control plus F9. Right answer is Minimize workbook. Next question. Control plus F10. Right answer is Maximize workbook. Next question. Control plus arrow key. Right answer is Move next sections of the text. Next question. Control plus space. Right answer is Select entire column. Next question. Shift plus space. Right answer is Move next sections of the text. Next question. Control plus page up. Right answer is Move between worksheet in same workbook. Next question. Control plus page down. Right answer is Move between worksheet in same workbook. Next question. Control plus arrow key. Right answer is Move next sections of the text. Next question. Control plus space. Right answer is Select entire column. Next question. Shift plus space. Right answer is Select entire row. Next question. Control plus. Right answer is Insert new column or row. Next question. Control minus. Right answer is Delete the select column or row. Next question. Control plus home. Right answer is Move to cell A1. Next question. Control plus shift plus L. Right answer is Filter. Next question. Control plus 0. Right answer is Hide the selected column. Next question. Control plus shift plus J. Right answer is Unhide any hidden column. Next question. Control plus 1. Right answer is Open the format cell window. Next question. Control plus 5. Right answer is Strikethrough. Next question. Control plus 9. Right answer is Hide the selected rows. Next question. Shift plus F11. Right answer is insert new worksheet. Next question. Shift plus F2. Right answer is insert comment. Next question. Shift plus F3. Right answer is open the cell formula. Next question. Shift plus F5. Right answer is search box. Next question. F1. Right answer is help. Next question. F2. Right answer is edit the selected cell. Next question. F4. Right answer is repeat last action. Next question. F5. Right answer is go to specified cell. Next question. F7. Right answer is spell check selected text. Next question. F11. Right answer is create chart from selected data. Next question. F12. Right answer is save as. Next question. Escape button. Right answer is cancel a cell entry. Next question. Alt plus equal to. Right answer is auto sum. Next question. Alt plus enter. Right answer is wraps text. Next question. Alt plus F1. Right answer is create chart. Next question. Alt plus F4. Right answer is close the program. Next question. Alt plus F8. Right answer is display the macro. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe and share.